So in this video today I will be talking about Amazon affiliate clear disclosure and statement for your WooCommerce shop to comply with FTC requirements. If you will be asking me what is FTC, FTC is basically Federal Trade Commission entity working in United States, and no, I am not located in United States, but simply because I am working with affiliate program which is in United States, and specifically it's Amazon affiliate program. And that means that I'm working with USA customers, then this applies to me as well. So those are two basically requirements which we need to implement in our website if we want to participate in kind of affiliate marketing in USA. So what are those two things which they are actually require is that to comply with the FTC regulations, there are two things which we need to implement on our website. So here is my website where I will show you kind of how exactly I implemented those two things, because there are different approaches probably how you can do that, but this is the way I did it, and it works perfectly fine. So I'm using again Salient theme, so WordPress website Salient theme. So this specific integration is related to this one. It may work as well with other themes, so it's up to you if you are using different theme and want to try out this approach. But if it's not gonna work straight out of the way how it worked for me, then I will just explain you as well how I made this happen, so you can try to figure out and make it work with your specific theme. So as you can see, I have this hashtag ad here. So this specifies that this specific product is affiliate kind of product. And so this is thing number one, which is requirement, and thing number two is a statement, which is this one here. So this sentence says, as an Amazon associate, we earn from qualifying purchases. So this statement and that hashtag ad, those two things should be, and this applies also if you are advertising on social media. So those are requirements from the FTC. And yeah, let's get to specific things. What is requirements here? So the first one is a clear disclosure, could be as simple as paid link, hashtag ad, or hashtag commissions earned. So I went with the shortest one, which is simply hashtag ad. So they does not specify what color it should be, how big it should be, but they do point out that it should be placed near any affiliate link or product review in a location that customers will notice easily. They shouldn't be hunting for it. So as you can see, this is very clear space where they definitely will find out that this specific is a kind of affiliate product. So that's the place where I put that, and the location is right before the image itself. And same applies as well for this sentence here as well. We shouldn't be hunting for it, so it's always on every single page in a footer section. So in this video I will show exactly how I did it, what it required, and all the codes as well. Everything will be in a link down in description, so go check out if you want to copy and paste this shortcode, which not shortcode but the code which I used in this case. So again, like I said, there are different ways how we can implement this. So this one here is basically my test website where I'm showing you how I'm doing this. And yeah, so what is here? So let me quickly grab the code which I will be using. So what is important basically here is important that if your all products will be affiliate products, then it's not specifically needed as I did this, because what I am doing in my case, I have different type of products. I have affiliate products, but at the same time there is simple products, there is subscription products if you are using subscriptions, there could be variable products. So you see there are different type of products, and for those other type of products I really don't need to show the hashtag ad on top of them. So I needed to find a code somewhere where I could grab that specific, that this is an affiliate product, so I can display this hashtag ad. So one thing what we could do, we could probably get into the WooCommerce template file and do something like that, but that's not really a good idea, because if there will be update of that template file, all your changes will go away. That is why I like to go approach and use CSS kind of custom code, and just do modifications if it's possible that way, because in this situation, if the changes will come, the template file will be updated, my kind of modification still will work. Of course, it may stop working if they will change the specific code place which I grabbed to display this information, but those things are happening not as often as the updates may come out and touch that specific template file. So that is why I'm using CSS code in this situation, because what we could do as well, if you don't want to do something like what I'm doing, you can add this hashtag here. Let's say this is short description of the product. You could add hashtag add in front of this and then start. But what is the downside of this? That you should do this on every single product which you will be creating. So I'm a bit lazy. I want this to happen automatically. So how we can do that? So now, as I'm using Salient theme, there is a specific place where I can put the custom CSS code. And if I will go in Salience and general settings, there is CSS script related section. So you see this black window here, which says custom CSS code. So now I will simply paste my custom code. So this part of the code, the front one, is just explaining, developers are using this line just to explain where this CSS code kind of applies for, what it's working. So it's easier to identify when I'm looking at my kind of complete CSS code, so I can identify what part is this for. So basically the section which I'm grabbing out is this one here. So you can see the product type external. This means that this modification which I'm applying here will apply only for product type external. So now our content is hashtag add. So you can see if you will change those three symbols here, you can add yourself what other options there was, affiliate product or something like that. You can do it here simply by modifying this part, and the things which I modified as well is the font size. So I stick with 12 pixels. So like I said, they doesn't specify how big it should be, but I didn't want it to be like as big as any other text of my website. So I was just able to decrease the size up to 12 pixels. So that's where you can modify as well if you want bigger font size, or you can even modify this code more by specifying the font face and stuff like that. So that's where it goes. Now I will click Save Changes. And if I will go back here, as you can see, there is nothing yet, but if I will do a refresh, you see now we have hashtag add. So now if I will go back to the shop page where I had all my 3 demo kind of products, this specific product is not affiliate product, this is subscription product, and as you can see, there is nothing, there is no that hashtag add on top of it, because I don't need to apply for this specific product. So this is a good solution if you are displaying affiliate products on your website, if you are planning to sell digital stuff, or it can be any other product type which you would like to use as well. So it's up to you, or if you are sending out your own physical products, then this will work as well for this situation. Now, if you don't have Salient theme, but you still would like to use this code, so I will just demonstrate how that will work. I will remove it from here, save changes. And just to show you that, you see, I just removed this code, so it disappeared. Now, in general option where you can find if you are using any other theme, in most cases this way will work as well. So under appearance and customize, if you will go this route here, you will find a section which says additional CSS. And now if I will paste the same code here and click publish, and now let's go back here and click refresh, you see the changes are in here as well. So this will work for any other theme. If you don't have Salient specifically, then you can put this code here. Like I said, if it does not work in your situation, but it should, then most likely this part of the code is different in your specific kind of website, and you just need to take a look what is difference here. Okay, so let's get back to our Salient theme, and let's get to the sentence, which is As an Amazon associate, we earn from qualifying purchases, or I earn from qualifying purchases. So I will just copy that part of the text which I need, and now again in the salient kind of backend, I will go to the section which is footer. And now if I will scroll down, I will find the section which says footer copyright section text. Now this text field does support some basic modification of the kind of styling, but let's say if you have using some sort of shortcodes, it's not gonna work here. So there would be another way, which I probably will shoot another video. I will show you how you can add some custom kind of shortcodes into your footer section, specifically for your copyrighted text. As you can see here in my situation, I have this copyright text which is starting from year when I opened this website, and kind of actual year. So actual year I'm pulling out here with the shortcode, which you can't put in this section here, so it will not work. So as you can see on basic situation, you have just actual year, but there wouldn't be possibility to add starting from year till the actual year which we have today. So that's going to be different video, but let's get to the point where we will be adding our sentence in. So I will just quickly paste in the sentence, and if I will save changes, and let's go back here, I will do a refresh, and you see that our sentence is now here. So if I would like to put this sentence in a new line, how I can do this is by simply going, and in the front I will just break this line here with this part, and I will save changes. And if I will do a refresh, you see our sentence is in a new line now. So as you can see, those two things are very easy to implement, and yeah, this is how it's work. Again, like I said, that not shortcode, but the CSS code which I used and this sentence I will put in description, so go check out for the video how to do that. Now, like I said, those are requirements only from the FTC, so specifically for Amazon USA. Please note that Amazon operates in different countries, so for example UK, Germany, France, Spain. So if you are applying, and you should apply for different country where you want to become an affiliate, they may have different requirements. So, but in general, stick with those ones here, because if they apply for USA, they most likely will work as well for different countries in Europe. But I'm just letting you know that the requirements may be different in different kind of countries, as I'm not operating many of them, mostly only in USA and in UK. So those requirements working for both of them. To become an affiliate in Amazon is not easy. There are many more kind of requirements where you should qualify to become an affiliate, and they may decline, and specifically it's not probably easy if you are just starting out and you don't have audience which is going straight away and using your affiliate links. So those are the things which you should read up yourself, but those two specific things which we needed to implement in our website, that's there. That's what you should done specifically, otherwise they may decline you. And yeah, in some situations you may find that they may be, because I do believe that human actually is coming and checking out those things, and sometimes they might be, I don't know, maybe lazy and does not check, and you still get approved. But if there may can situation come that your account may be taken down, then please know that those could be the reasons, you know, that you didn't kind of comply with the requirements somewhere. Yes, they missed that point when they approved you, but if they took down your account, so this could be the reason why, you know. So this is information I'm just sharing you today, which is important. So there are many different requirements all around the world, so not always we may know them, but yeah, that it is what it is, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, do the stuff which you need to do as always. Share it, like it, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one when we will be doing something else interesting. So ciao for now.